In our previous class, we were discussing about why did government introduce composition scheme. In today's class, let us understand who actually can opt for composition scheme. That is, we are talking about turnover limit. Government said if your turnover is less than a specified limit, you can opt for composition scheme. Now the question comes, what is that specified limit? Government said for all the states in the country, it is 1 crore rupees. Normally for all the states in the country, it is 1 crore rupees. That is to say, if my turnover is less than 1 crore rupees in the previous year, okay, it is in the previous year I need to see. So in the previous year, if my turnover is less than 1 crore rupees, I can opt for composition scheme. Now government said this 1 crore limit is not applicable to 9 special category states. So it said for 9 special category states, the limit of 1 crore is not applicable. Instead, limit of 75 lakh is applicable. Now let us see which are those 9 special category states for whom the limit of 75 lakh is applicable. So the 9 states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura and Himachal Pradesh. Now if you observe, two states which were there in the special category states, that is Jammu, Kashmir and Uttarakhand, is not included here. So this limit of 75 lakh is only applicable to the 9 special category states and not to Jammu, Kashmir and Uttarakhand. For Jammu, Kashmir and Uttarakhand, the limit of 1 crore itself is applicable. So I repeat the entire point. If my turnover in the previous year, is less than 1 crore rupees, then I can opt for composition scheme. But if I am in the special category states, that I am in the 9 special category states, then only if my turnover is less than 75 lakhs, I can opt for composition scheme. In exam, if they ask you, say Mr. Kishore is a businessman and his turnover is 90 lakh rupees. So only information they are giving you is he is a businessman and his turnover is 90 lakh rupees, and they are asking whether he is eligible for composition scheme or not. Now how you should answer? You should answer in both the ways. Like, how do you answer? The first thing is, if you assume that he is from a normal state, then yes, composition scheme is applicable. But if he is from a special category states, then composition scheme is not applicable because his turnover is more than 75 lakh rupees. So I hope you are clear with the turnover limits. Now one more question comes, how do you calculate this turnover? Let us take an example to understand this. Say there is Mr. Harish and he has 2 branches in Maharashtra. The turnover of one branch is 40 lakh rupees. The turnover of one more branch is again 40 lakh rupees. So there are 2 branches having turnover 40 lakh and 40 lakh. So his turnover is, totally it is 80 lakh because both the branches are registered under single PAN, that is single permanent account number. Now let us come to the trickiest question of this part. Say there is a businessman and he has his branch in normal category state and also one more branch in special category states. Now which limit will apply, whether the limit of 1 crore or the limit of 75 lakh? Always whenever you encounter these type of question, the lowest of the both applies, that is 1 crore or 75 lakh. Here if a person has branches in both the states, then the lowest limit, that is 75 lakh, which will apply. So if his turnover is more than 75 lakhs, he is not eligible for composition scheme. Now let us take an example to understand this. There is a businessman and he has 2 branches, one in Gujarat and one in Manipur. The turnover of Gujarat branch is 10 lakh rupees. So Gujarat is a normal category states and turnover is 10 lakh. He also have one more branch in Manipur, that is special category states, and his turnover there is 70 lakh. Now whether he is eligible for composition scheme? First thing you need to calculate what is his aggregate turnover. Aggregate turnover is 70 lakh plus 10 lakh, it is 80 lakh rupees. Now you need to answer whether the limit of 1 crore is applicable or limit of 75 lakh is applicable. Once he has a business in special category states, then the limit of 75 lakh is applicable. So in this case, as his turnover is more than 75 lakh rupees, he is not eligible for composition scheme.